Welcome everybody to another episode of Word of the Day. So, in today's Word of the Day, never believe all these food review content creators because they are talking, okay? And my taste buds and your taste buds are different. What tastes good for me, it doesn't necessarily taste good for you, okay? And one more thing, these food review content creators, they get paid to say good things about the restaurant and the food, okay? So don't believe them, okay? It's all a scam, it's fake, it's everything above. If I'm you guys, I would unsubscribe from the channels. Okay, it's all lies. Okay, and peace.